Okay then, let's check whether Java is installed or not. To do so, we should start command prompt. To start command prompt, I'll click on start button on Windows and then type CMD. Hit enter and type lowercase Java. Hit enter if you get response like Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, which means Java is yet not installed. So let me exit from the command prompt and go to the browser and search for Java 8 download. Why Java 8 specifically? See, there are multiple versions are there available in market, but as of now most widely used version is Java 8, so we'll proceed with that. When you go for it, you will find a link called www.oracle.com, second one, which you can see right now. So Java SE 8 archive is something we need to download. When you go to download page, there are, scroll down a little bit and you will find multiple pages are there, multiple options of downloading are there. And as you can see, what is it saying? Java SE development kit. Okay, so let's start the Java development kit. Let's focus, and if you see, multiple versions are there. So since my system is Windows system, so I'll proceed with the Windows installation. In Windows, again, two options are there, x86 as well as x64. Which one should I choose? To get this done, what I need to do is click on, okay, to find out which particular version of Windows JDK we need to download. There are two are there, x86 and x64. What do we need to do? Let me click on start and type this PC. When you go to this PC, click on properties. Okay, when you go to the properties, somewhere you will find something called this, system type. Somewhere you will find something called system type. In that you will see x64 based processor. That means my Windows operating system is using x64 based processor. So what I need to do? Of course, let's quickly move over here, and as you can see, last option is Windows 64. So correspondingly, I need to download the appropriate JDK. Click on the option and it will ask you to review the license. Ensure you read the document. I have already read it. I'll just simply click and download. The moment you click on the download, it will ask you to log into your Oracle account. Let me do so. The moment I click on download JDK, it will ask me to sign in. I am using my credentials. I expect you to use your own credentials. In the list, as you can see in the list, JDK installation downloading, as you can see in the list, JDK download is in progress. Let's wait for a few minutes, and as soon as the download completes, we'll proceed with our next section. Okay. Okay friends, as you can see, JDK download is completed, and this symbol you should see where Java logo, hope you remember Java logo, where coffee cup with the fumes. Okay, once this is done, what I need to do is right click on this and choose run as administrator. The moment you click on run as administrator, it will ask for Windows confirmation. I say yes, and then wait for a moment. Our download will start. Over here, it will ask basic confirmations where you need to say next, next, next as usual. Okay, so I'll say next. It will ask a couple of confirmations and then wait for a moment. It will copy all the JDK files into your system and start extracting installer, then it will install it, and you wait for a moment when, okay, fine. Destination folder, most important thing guys, please pay attention. Now it is asking for the destination folder where Java needs to be installed. Let's read what is the location. C, program files, Java and JRE. So I recommend not to change this location. Let this be as it is. You simply say next. Okay, and then you will see a wizard where it will be asked, then you will see a wizard where it will be saying 3 billion devices use Java. So more than 3 billion devices run Java. So let's get installation completed. Once done, then we'll proceed with the further steps, because some configuration changes are required that I'll tell you. Unless that is done, we cannot execute Java programs. So as you can see right now, our JDK installation is successfully installed. Okay, Then what do I need to do? So simply click on close and hold. If you remember the path was C drive. Inside the C drive, we had program files. Inside the program files, we had a folder called Java. Let's get into the Java. Here you will find two folders. One is JDK, one is JRE. Hold on for a moment. Within the JDK, you will find another folder called bin. Get into that and ensure you copy this location. This location is something you have to copy, and I am keeping a note inside the notepad. I have opened a notepad. Path of JDK bin copied and kept it somewhere. Till here clear? Okay. After this, go back to Java where you will find another folder, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Within this, go to the bin folder and ensure to copy this path as well. Sir, why are we copying these paths? Hold on for a moment. I'll explain everything to you guys. Okay. So basically, till now what we have done, sir? We have downloaded the JDK, then run as administrator. Next. Once done, okay. After that, what did we do? We have navigated to the destination folder where Java is installed. Where is it installed? C drive, program files. Java will be a folder over there, and in few systems it would be program files 86. Let it be. Better don't change it. If it is installed in Java program files, let it be there. If it is installed in Java program files 86, let it be there. Let's not get confused. Whatever path is there, let it be there. But you will find one folder called Java. Within that folder, you will find two folders, JDK, Java Development Kit, and JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Within JDK, bin is there, JRE, bin is there. Copy both the paths, kept it. This much we have done so far. I hope you are comfortable till here. Okay, let's proceed. Now, what do we need to do, sir? Now the most important task is coming. We need to set the system environment variables so that our system understands from where, how the execution will work, where our class .class file, whatever after compilation gets generated, where it should be saved, how to proceed. We need to set that part. In order to do so, I'll again go to this PC, right click and choose the properties. Over here, we are back to the same place earlier. Now, pay attention. The moment I click on this PC and choose properties, at this moment you will find something called advanced system settings. As you can see my mouse cursor right now, advanced system settings you can find. Just click on this and a dialog box will come. System properties dialog box. Ensure you are inside the advanced tab. Within that you will find a button called environment variables. Click on environment variables. Another pop-up comes where list of environment variables will be there, sir. First type of variable is user variables, which we don't need to worry about. Second is system library, system variables. Second is system variables. So where we need to focus is system variables. I repeat the entire step. Right click on this PC, choose properties, then ensure to click on advanced system settings. Once that is done, ensure you are inside the advanced tab, and there is a button called environment variables. In that, two type of variables, user variables, system variables. We need to focus on system variables. Good. Within system variables, so many are there. You don't worry about all of them. Scroll down, you will find something called path. Capital P-A-T-H, path. You click on path, ensure you click on edit. Another pop-up comes, and this is the place where I need to put, you remember JDK bin, JRE bin path we have copied? Those paths we have to paste it here. We have to add in our path variables. Am I clear? Okay, sir. So let me quickly go to the notepad, copy one by one JDK bin path, click on new and paste. Hit enter. Then this time I'll copy JRE bin, okay, and click on new, copy, paste, enter. That's all. Click on OK. That's it. Path is done. After this, one more variable we have to set, that is called class path. In few systems, class path might be there. In few systems, might not be there, right? Like if you see in my system, class path is not there. What do I do, sir? Nothing. Click on new. And here, variable name should be case sensitive. Pay attention. How am I writing the class path? I am writing class path, everything in uppercase. Agree? Okay, sir. And while pasting things in class path, like JDK bin, JRE bin path, when we are pasting in class path, there is a slight deviation is there. Pay attention. I have taken both the path and they are separated with a semicolon. This exactly how it should be. First JDK bin complete path, semicolon, JRE bin complete path. I hope you are getting my point. JDK bin complete path, semicolon, JRE bin complete path. Copy everything in one shot, and here you will find something called variable value. In that you paste it and say okay. That's it. Just to cross check, if you want, you can double click on class path. You will find two paths are there, JDK bin, JRE bin. Comfortable? Okay sir. Say okay. Wherever, whichever dialog box are there, everywhere say okay, okay, okay. I hope you are okay till here. Okay. Now, whether it has installed completely or not, let's check. So, how do I check it? Again, go to command prompt by clicking on Windows, type CMD, hit enter. Now the path has come. Here I'll type Java. If I hit enter, if successful installation is done, so many commands will come. Earlier what happened, sir? Earlier, when I typed Java and hit enter, it was saying not recognizes internal or external command, right? Let's check now. So many things are coming. That means Java is installed. Let's check for the Java C, Java compiler. Does my computer aware about the Java compiler or not? Java C, hit enter. If things are working till here, absolutely fine. And for demonstration purpose, I'll do one thing. I'll execute one Java program as well for you. So I'll start with the basic program. Let's start. Say class installation demo. I can take any class name, right? Okay, and you know class name start with the uppercase. So opening curly braces, then public static void main string array of args, and then opening curly braces. Within this I'm typing system.out.print of hello world. Done, sir. Followed by semicolon, of course. And let me close main method and let me close the class. Whatever name I have taken for the class, I'll copy that and save with the double quotes. Oops, sorry. Within the double quotes, I'll paste the name followed by the .java extension. And I'll do one thing within somewhere in desktop, I'm gonna save it. Okay. Okay, friends. I have wrote the code till now, right? I have written the code. Sorry. Okay, friends. I have written the code. Now it's time to save it. And what I have done in my system, I have chosen one directory. Whether you take D drive, E drive, whichever directory you like it, whichever drive you like it. I recommend not to take the C drive. If you have only C drive, then there is no choice. But whichever place you take it, create one folder called Java. Within that Java folder, you create a folder called SRC. Okay. And in the SRC means short form of source code. Okay. So one place in your system should be there where a folder called Java, within that a folder called SRC should be there. In the folder of SRC, I request you to save all your source code, whatever you want to write now onwards. Okay. So what I have done in my system, I have chosen E drive. In that, let me navigate to the E drive. In that, there is a folder, as you can see, Java. Let me double click on that, and within that I have created a folder called SRC. Let me create. This is the place where I need to save my code. So what is the class name? I have taken installation demo .java. I am recommending you to keep it in double quotes and save it. Done, sir? Okay. Now let's just cross check. Let me navigate to the same place, E drive, Java. Within SRC, there is a full file called installation demo.java. Okay. Now to execute, you just come to the address bar and type CMD. Am I clear? Or ensure before any other command prompt is there, close all the command prompts. Click on the address bar and type CMD. The moment CMD is open, first thing I need to do is to compile. Am I right? So Java C class name, file name, sorry. Java C file name. Java C installation demo.java. Hit enter. If syntactically everything is correct, it should work. That means Java compiler is working fine in my system. But in some time while executing, in few systems it may give issues, in few systems it will work fine. I'll explain both the scenarios. Give me a moment. What do you need to do? Java, file name, installation demo, and hit enter. Output is coming. But sir, in possibility that in few systems output may not come. In that case, no need to worry. All you need to do, because initially few days, couple of days you may face issues. For that you need to type set class path equal to opening double quotes, closing double quotes. That's all. Empty. Why are we doing it? Because you remember class path variable we have set it, that is yet not recognized by the system. Either you might not have restarted or there is some system update is required. Don't worry much. If code is not executing, you type set space lowercase class path equal to double quotes, everything in lowercase. I repeat, set space class path equal to double quotes. That's all. Your issue would be solved. Hit enter, nothing output will come. But after this, if you execute, if at all you are facing issue, your issue would be sorted. I hope you understood how to download, how to install, how to set the path, how to set the class path, how to write the code, how to compile it, how to execute it. Till you are comfortable, guys? Okay, ensure you follow all the steps carefully, and don't worry, for the same activity we have created one Java installation document as well. You can refer that document where everything I have listed very carefully. You follow all the steps as it is. I'm sure you will not get any issue. But what if sir I still get issue? Don't worry, reach out to the concerned trainer. Your trainer will fix your issues for sure. Do not hesitate, and this is something, a mandatory activity, do not miss it. And if you remember initially when we were starting the installation steps, that time I told, in case if you type Java, hit enter, if you are getting these commands, then you don't do any of these activities without having a word with your trainer. Am I clear? If Java is not installed, then you follow all these steps. If it's already installed, do not worry about it. Am I clear? Okay, that's it. And I hope you can execute your Java code now. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Danappa. I'll stop the recording. This one.
Recording stopped.